we were born with a clear heart. And then what happens? We grow up and influences come to us and we start to change. As he said, alayhi salatu wasalam, temptations, this hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, temptation starts presented to you, to me, one by one. There is social media, there is this text message, this influencer, these days we call it. There is this, there is that, and gradually I absorb it. I like it. I love it. I want to be like them. If you take it, a black dot is going to be in your heart, in mine, one by one, and we don't feel it. We don't feel it. What is the big deal? Till that heart becomes black, turned upside down. Doesn't know what is good, what is right, what is not right, what is not good. Everything is what's the big deal. That's when the heart becomes black. Versus if this comes to you, presented to you, and you remove it, you lower your gaze, you don't hear it, you did it, you seek forgiveness from Allah right away, a white dot will be in the heart, gradually, till the heart becomes pure.